What you see here is a 1778 Continental soldier's outfit. From the top of the head, you've got a military style tricorn hat. Underneath that is the regimental coat. This one is a standard blue with the red facings. It's got the white lining with the hearts in the back. We also have available reversed color coats where the facings and the body of the coat are the opposite colors. It would be like a red body with blue facings. That would be typical of musicians within the unit. Underneath that is a white waistcoat, which is typical of most of the military units. Some of them had other colors, but white is very typical, and white knee breeches. Also underneath that, of course, is a standard 18th century work shirt along with a black linen cravat. And lower on down the legs, you see garters that are holding your socks up, long cotton stockings, and again, regular straight-lasted shoes with shoe buckles. Very common in this time period were spatterdashes. Half gaiters is another term that might be used for these. Again, to protect your shoes and to also make it look like the soldiers were wearing boots rather than shoes, making them look more impressive. All the items I've talked about and all the items you've seen here are available in our print catalog and on our website.